Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete Instagram highlights from your profile to refresh your content or remove outdated stories, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Step 3. Locate the highlights section below your bio, which displays all your saved story highlights. Step 4. Tap and hold the highlight you want to delete until a menu appears. Step 5. Select Delete Highlight from the Options menu. Step 6. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete again when prompted to permanently remove the highlight from your profile. Step 7. Alternatively, tap on the highlight to open it, then tap More, three dots, in the bottom right corner and select Delete Highlight. Step 8. If you want to remove individual stories from a highlight, instead of deleting the entire highlight, open the highlight, tap More, select Edit Highlight, and remove specific stories before saving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.